In this video, I will teach you how to model in Apple and Creo Parametric. First of all, select your working directory. So let us select my working directory. Click on New. Name your part. Let us give it a name of Apple 7. Now uncheck the default dimension. Let us make it millimeter Newton second. Let us create a sketch for our sweep. So go to sketch. You can type S also. And let us select our datum plane. So I am going to create this sketch on the top plane. So click on top and click on sketch. Let us reorient this by clicking this thing. Now let us create a circle. Double click this dimension. Give it a value of say 200. Click on OK. Now you can see the sketch has been created in the model tree. Now let us create sweep. So go to sweep in the shape options. Click on sweep. Now click on allow section to change. So click this and select your sketch. Then this sketch button will be activated. So click this sketch. Now this intersection has been created for creating the sweep profile. So let us reorient it. I am going to create a center line. This is center line and this is in the middle. So I give this 100 value. Let us try to create the cross section of an apple. Click here, then here, then here, and now click on the middle mouse to exit from the spline command, and again click middle mouse to display all the dimensions. So I will make this 60 and I will make this 80. Now let us create angles here. So I'm going to right click and select this dimension, or I can also go to the dimensions tab and click on the dimension. Now click this red point, then select this center line and select this sketch and bring your mouse here and click on the middle mouse here. So it will create an angle dimension. So let us give it a value of 145. Again, we will repeat this method. Click on this red point, click on this center line, then in the middle, then this, and again in the middle, click this middle mouse button. Let us give it a value of 137. Now let us create this dimension. Click on this point and click on this reference line. Now bring your mouse to the middle and click on the middle mouse to create this dimension. So let us give it a value of 92. Now again click on this point, click on this line and let us give it a value of 74. Now let us also make these weaker dimension stronger. So I will enter the value of 20 and I will also give it a value of 45. Now let us close the sketch by drawing a line from this point to this point. Click this point, and then click the middle mouse button and again click the middle mouse button. It will show that the section is closed. Now let us create some relations. So go to tools, click on the relations. Now click on this dimension and type this relation here. So let us type its initial value, which is 74. Then we will add a relation 3 times sine of trajectory parameter Trajpar times 360 times 5 and close. Now again let's give a relation to this dimension as well. So I will click this is equal to, I will copy this dimension, copy, and I will paste it here and I will change this initial value, which is 92. I think it is 92, so let me show it to you. 92, it is 92. Now let us verify these relations. So click on this thing. Relation has been successfully verified. Click OK. Then again click OK. Now go to the sketch tab. Click on the OK yes button. Now you can see that this apple has been created. Click on OK. Now let us try to create its stem. If we click on Ctrl plus 2, 3, Ctrl plus 4, we can see the hidden lines here. Now again click Ctrl plus 1, you will see the shaded version of this model. So let us create the stem. So click on the front plane and click on the sketch. Reorient this thing. Now let us display the hidden lines wireframe. Now let us draw the stem here. Let us make it 170 and let us make it 50. Click on OK. Now this is the sketch. We will create the stem here. So click the sketch and go to sweep. This side to be the start of the sweep. So I will flip it. Now I will allow the section to change. Yes, I will sketch now. Let us reorient it. Create a circle. Let the circle at the start be 6. Now I want to add a relation. So go to relation. Now I want this diameter to change along the sweep path. So I will put a value of 6 plus Trajpar. Okay. Now we'll click OK. Now we'll go to this OK and we'll click this thing. Now if I click on the shaded model, you will see that a stem has been created. Now let us switch off all the displays. Now let us change its appearance to view. Give it this appearance. Click on OK. Now let us edit its appearance, edit model appearance. Go to View, Appearance, edit model appearance, then go to Decal, then click on the drop down and select image, then click on this rectangle and go to the, I have downloaded a texture for this, so you can select that texture to apply. So I will select the texture and I will select the object with the help of this dropper. Now I will select this. You can see that it has been changed now. You can also change the appearance of this stem. So go to appearance and give it an appearance of wood. So I will select the sweep tool and I will click OK. So this is our part. Thanks for watching. Thank you.